Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a bar graph and a pie graph using the Candy Graph Lab. So you guys should click on this link here. It'll automatically ask you to make a copy of this spreadsheet here. Now when you get the spreadsheet, you're going to have a lot of blanks because you're supposed to create your own data table for this. So this is something that I already created. And of course my data table is going to look very different from yours, so you shouldn't just copy this. Okay, this is just an example for you on how to create the graphs. But when you're creating the graphs, the first thing you want to do is you want to highlight the data table, the stuff that's important for you to put on the graph. We're going to go to Insert and we're going to go to Chart. Okay. Now, the spreadsheet kind of automatically understood that this would be a great bar graph. Now, why would it think that it's a great bar graph? Because we have something on the x-axis here that doesn't involve numbers, right? We're using words here. So bar graphs a lot of times are great for that qualitative data that you have, okay? I'm going to change my title here a little bit. Because I like things to be kind of clear and in the center. Of course, you don't have to do that. That's just a personal thing. But you can see here on the setup, when I click on the setup, right, there's different types of graphs that I can create. I wanted a bar graph, okay? So that's why I put it like this. And then I can customize it and go to different parts. I can do chart style, axis or titles, series, legend, axes, different things that I can do to the graph. But this looks pretty good. I can see everything clearly. The numbers are there. That's great. Okay. I'm going to click on this graph. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here for my bar graph. I'll link it to the spreadsheet in case I make any changes later. Okay. And then the next thing I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to create a pie graph. So I'm going to highlight those again, go to Insert and Chart again. Now it created another bar graph because the spreadsheet thinks that that's the best thing. Okay, but we can also create a pie graph. I'm going to move my pie graph to the side here so it's not on top of things. Now one thing that you see here automatically puts colors for each section of the pie, but some of these look silly, right? It says purple. And then it says the color is orange, right? So that doesn't make a lot of sense. So I'm going to click on that orange. It automatically takes me to Customize and Pie Slice, right? Because I clicked on it right here. So I can click on any color and it'll carry me to that color. Since this is purple, I am going to choose a purple. And you can choose whatever shade of purple you want. This is supposed to be orange. I'm going to change that to orange. This is supposed to be red. I'm going to change that to red. And this is supposed to be yellow. I'm going to change that to yellow. This is supposed to be blue. I'm going to change it to blue. Of course, you can always change the hue of the colors if you don't like one in particular. Make it look just like what you want. I'm going to change my title here because I'm OCD. I like things a certain way. And there you go. There's my pie graph. Okay, so I'm going to, again, copy, come over here, and paste. And I'm going to link it, my pie graph right there. Okay. Now let's say I realize I made a mistake. Really, the reds should be 11. Okay. So notice how this changed here. My slice of my pie is a lot shorter. And if we did everything correctly, I can click here and update my graph. And then I can click here and update my graph as well. And that is it.